In today's video, we will take a closer look at the process of building a wooden greenhouse. The first step is to excavate sufficiently deep foundations to ensure the stability of the entire structure and prevent any movement caused by the pressure of the surrounding soil. The recommended foundation depth is at least 80 centimeters. Next, the top layer of fertile soil is removed and the foundation base is filled with sand, which is then compacted using a vibrating plate. In this case, the foundations are made of extruded polystyrene with individual elements connected using a specialized assembly system. This is an efficient solution that not only provides structural strength, but also offers excellent thermal insulation and moisture protection, as the material is non-absorbent. The individual panels are connected together and reinforced. In this project, composite reinforcement is used instead of traditional steel. After preparing the formwork, it is essential to ensure its stability to prevent deformation during concreting due to the pressure of the fresh concrete. Wooden braces are used to secure the structure in place. The prepared form is then filled with concrete. An alternative and more commonly used solution is traditional wooden formwork combined with steel reinforcement. This method has been proven over time and is generally more cost-effective. Once the foundations are completed, the foundation strips are concreted. The concrete should be compacted using a vibrator to ensure even distribution and to eliminate air voids. The interior of the greenhouse is then filled with backfill material, which serves as a base for the final walking surface. In this case, fired brick paving is used. A masonry curb wall is built on top of the foundation strips, forming the base for installing the wooden greenhouse structure. The assembly of the wooden structure itself is not shown in detail in this video. However, we can at least get a general idea of its form. In one of the upcoming videos, we will go through the entire construction process in more detail. The structure is then placed onto the curb wall and anchored using threaded rods and chemical anchors. Rafters and bracing elements are subsequently added to ensure sufficient rigidity of the entire structure. The final step is the installation of the glass panels. In this case, the glass is bonded to the frame using transparent silicone and then secured with pressure strips fitted with sealing gaskets. This solution provides excellent resistance to water ingress and ensures long-term water tightness. In this project, the planting beds inside the greenhouse are designed as separate containers. A more practical alternative may be raised beds, which are easier to maintain and more convenient for cultivation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.